Starting here on page 5, I start to have some side-by-side examples. So pretty consistently, I'm going to have you do the problem on the right, and I'll help you with the problem on the left. This one says, write an equation of the line with the given slope and y-intercept. This is really just a repeat of the very first question of page 1 of the packet. I'm not sure if it's the same slope and the same y-intercept, but even if it's not, it works out the same way. If I'm supposed to come up with an equation from slope and y-intercept, well, I can just put it into slope-intercept form, and I simply plug these things in. The 1/3 goes in there for m, the -2 goes in there for b, and y equals mx plus b instead becomes y equals 1/3 x plus -2. Do similar work here, if you would, on the next page. Moving down the page here, once again, I'm going to have you to end up doing this one. I'll do the one on the left side. This time you're supposed to write an equation based on a graph. Well, I already have the answer, unfortunately, there for you at the top, so let's just get to why I have that answer. If you're supposed to read a line graph, look at the y-intercept. There it is at 4. Y-intercept is b. Plug 4 in place of b. Slope, well, it clearly goes through those crosshairs, or at least clearly to me, and I'm pretty sure it does there. So it looks to me like I went down 1 in order to go over 4, so that's -1/4, and that's where I came up with this slope, -1/4. So I've got y equals -1/4 x plus 4. That's my equation for this line. Do the same thing over here. Moving on to the bottom of the page. This time it's a word problem. Once again, come up with a linear equation, but this time based on a story. Well, I talked about the idea that y-intercept is your starting point. For this baby cow, the starting point was 57 pounds. And slope is rate of change. The rate of change for this baby cow is 2 pounds per day. So that's my slope right there, 2. That's my y-intercept, 57. I put those two things together in an equation. Y equals mx plus b becomes y equals 2 for slope. I chose to use d here for days, but I could have used x, plus 57. That's my y-intercept, and that's it. That's the full extent of my equation there. That's the end of that page, and I'll start a new video for the next one.